Magandang umaga mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Sports Hub Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, ito pag-usapan natin naman yung mga laban ni Efren Reyes na very crucial shots at saka may mga magics and trick shots dito sa kanyang mga laban. Lalo na sa mga laban niya na hindi na i-publish at hindi na ipakita dito sa YouTube. Ito yung mga invitational na laban niya, mga tira na hindi naman kailangan na siya ang titira. Pero dito makikita natin kung paano pinakita ni Efren Reyes na talagang hindi mga chamba at saka mga flock shot yung kanyang mga tira dito. Mapapansin ninyo talagang very calculated yung sa kanyang mga tira at mga kanyang ball positioning and preparation. Makikita din natin sa video na ito kung ano yung mga ginagawa ni Efren Reyes sa kanyang mga tira at kung paano ito nalulusutan ni Efren Reyes. Mapa-kick shot, bank shot, carom shot, combination, magic shot, where shot. Yan lahat yung mga ginawa ni Efren Reyes dito sa pag-uusapan nating mga video at mga tira niya. Kaya panoorin ninyo hanggang dulo mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Samahan ninyo ako dito sa napakagandang mga tira ni Efren Reyes at yung kanyang mga magic and trick shots na pinakita sa atin sa loob ng 4 na dekada ng pagbibilyard nitong ating The Magician. Walang iba kundi si Efren Bata Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard. Dito sa tira na ito mga kabilyard, papanoorin natin kung paano kahusay sa carom shot itong si Efren Reyes. Makikita natin dito si Thorsten Homan, nag-try siya na ipasok itong 9 sa corner pocket sa bandang kaliwa. Mapapansin ninyo nagminti siya dyan at hindi niya nakuha yung kanyang goal. Pero pansinin ninyo na sinundan ito ni Efren Bata Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
For now, we won't release that. And here we go. Nice round of applause. Great inning there by Thorsten. Again, just showing what he's still capable of at this level. Our first look at the magician, Efren Reyes. This man is like a Duracell battery, just keeps on going. He went for the 9 already. Oh my God!
Yeah, I got lucky.
Dito pa rin sa parehong laban, mapapansin ninyo si Thorsten Homan nag-try na mag-tin shot doon sa object ball na yun pero hindi pumasok. Ganun pa man nakapag-play safe pa rin dito si Thorsten Homan. Pero mapapansin ninyo kung gaano kalupit yung kanyang tira dito ni Efren Reyes sa reverse bank shot. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
People away from me. It's fine.
Okay.
If I'm talking to people, so if you put this one on. Okay, learning as we go. Learning as we go. Perfection. So yeah, we have a couple of wireless mics that we're testing out here. So again, apologies if there's any interruptions here while we do this. And what a rank shot.
At dito pa rin sa parehong laban na yan, pinakita dito ni Efren Reyes kahit mga off position sa combination shot talagang naipapasok pa rin ni Reyes at nagkakaroon siya ng napakahusay na cue ball control and positioning. Panoorin ninyo itong 7 na ito kung paano yung combination ni Efren Reyes doon sa dulo. Napakalupit at napakahusay. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Again, I'm still expecting to see a safety, but I don't think that is what Efren wants to do right now.
At dyan nga nakita ninyo kung paano niya i-combination, no? Pero ganun pa man, hindi siya nagkaroon ng magandang cue ball position dito. At tingnan ninyo mga kabilyard kung paano niya palusutan sana itong 4 na ito, no? Mga intentional shot ito mga kabilyard, pero hindi makapaniwala yung kalaban dito ni Efren Reyes na si Thorsten Homan na kaya niyang gawing pinahan ng isang malupitang kick shot itong 4. Panoorin ninyo mga kabilyard.
I just fired at the bank. Fired at the combo, sorry. So again, looking at this one. Trying to keep behind it.
At dito pa rin sa parehong laban na ito, mapapansin ninyo nagkarombola dito si Efren Reyes at naipasok sa side pocket yung 7. Ganun pa man, hindi nagkaroon ng magandang ball position si Reyes dahil dumikit yung 1 doon sa cue ball. Kaya pansinin ninyo, gagawa ng magic shot dito si Efren Reyes. Ito yung tinatawag na tactical carom shot ni Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Play it into the side pocket, the opposite. Yeah, he's going to try and bank this. I think he just needs to get the cue ball out of the way. 1, 2, try for the 3 and got the 3. Oh, not the ball that he meant to go for, but
At dito pa rin sa parehong laban mga kabilyard, no, napakaraming tira na pinakita ni Efren Reyes dito na talagang kakaiba at hindi ito na televised, no, at hindi karaniwan napapanood ng mga maraming mahuhusay sa bilyard. Dito nga mapapansin natin itong 2 ay nasa posisyon, no, sa side pocket at kailangan niyang makakuha ng magandang cue ball positioning para sa 3. Dito nga sinusukat ni Reyes kung paano niya pektusin itong bato para makakuha ng magandang posisyon para sa 3. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
yeah, so he's just trying to get back into that channel, you see, without scratching. I think he has enough of the 3. That's a fantastic positional shot that's not been acknowledged by the crowd. I wonder if the potting angle is all of the ball that he can see right now.
Here I
Use a
come.
little bit of spin just to help it along its way. See him using outside. Just going to help the cut take. And this is why he is the one pocket
Suerte.
god. One pocket Hall of Famer, 9-ball Hall of Famer. There's your reason. What a fantastic visionary shot that he just played there. Not one to get the shape on that ball, but also just to pocket that ball and hold for the next one. Fantastic play there from Efren. It's going to take him through, I think, to complete this one. 9-6. Poor Efren just sat in his chair. Sorry, poor Thorsten just sat in his chair, watching the brilliance that we all are as well. We are going to move to a second set, guys, so we'll probably just take a break. We're going to use a little boys' room. See you again soon. Thank you.
At dito naman sa isang laban ni Efren Reyes, mapapansin ninyo na kailangan kumuha ng magandang ball position si Reyes, no, dito sa 3. Cue ball control and positioning, isa sa pinakamagagaling na armas ni Reyes sa pagbibilyard. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Nice.
Dito naman sa parehong laban, mapapansin ninyo itong kanyang kalaban na Japanese Pool Master, no? Nag-try siya na mag-bank shot, hindi pumasok. Pero tingnan ninyo kung paano ipasok ni Reyes yung 9 doon sa corner pocket. At kung paano niya nagawa yan, isa bang fluke or magic shot? Ano sa palagay ninyo? Paki-comment dyan sa ibaba. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard. Dito naman sa isang laban ni Efren Reyes versus dito kay JB Sukal, no, isang full prodigy ng kasalukuyang henerasyon, at si Efren Reyes naman ang papalubog na henerasyon, no. Pero makikita ninyo dito kung paano inubos ni Efren Reyes itong bola at kung paano in-entertain ni Reyes yung mga crowd doon sa tinatawag na where shot niya. At dito pinakamalupit, for real bank shot pa ang ginawa ni Efren Reyes. Kaya panoorin ninyo mga kabilyard.
Parallel.
Oo. Ito yung hindi
Pag-
mahirap.
Hindi, basta pagitnain lang niya uli para
Ginawa rin ito kanina eh.
yung 8 tsaka 9 madali na. Yan o. Yes,
Yeah,
direct
let's see
line.
what he will do. JV Sukal.
Ang mahangaw-ngaw na.
Didiretso niya yung 8.
Go.
And listen to the crowd.
May naaamoy na. Siyahan lang ha.
Kala natin sumemplang pero
Oo.
sinadya talaga.
Oo.
Ayun.
Pasok. Oh yeah. That's the magician.
That's Efren Bata Reyes.
At dito naman sa isang laban ni Efren Reyes kay AJ Manas, isa pa ring mga full prodigy ng kasalukuyang henerasyon, no? Kalaban niya pa rin dito si Efren Reyes. Mapapansin ninyo, nagkaroon ng posisyon yung 3, no? Pero tingnan ninyo kung paano sungkitin ni Reyes yung 9.
Pero ang tira ni Champ, hindi ko maupas. Wow!
At dito sa laban na ito mga kabilyard, mukhang hindi makatira itong isang full player dahil nga walang possible shot, no? Pero nakita nila si Efren Reyes the Magician at tinangkang patirahin si Reyes dito para isolve itong problema na ito. Tingnan natin kung gaano kagaling si Reyes sa pag-solve, no? Sa two-rail kick shot. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
They don't get lucky.
At dito naman sa isang laban ni Efren Reyes dito kay Bobby Piquel, mapapansin ninyo itong si Piquel ay itinry niyang i-shoot yung 2 pero nagmintes. Ganun pa man nakapag-play safe siya dyan, no? Pero tingnan ninyo mga kabilyard kung anong ginawa ni Reyes. Panoorin natin.
Finished watching a one-pocket event, Efren and Bobby Pickle, and this is round 4 action. I know Efren is undefeated in 9-ball. I think Bobby is too, although I'm not sure. And this is a race to 7. Efren broke in this game. Now, hey, sorry for a little out of breath. I ran over from the control desk because Scott got this started a few minutes ahead of when I thought I needed to be up here. So I'm huffing and puffing here for a second. But it's good to be back with you. By the way, my name's Ken Schumann, and I'm being ably assisted in the background by
Swerte.
Sa parehong laban ni Bobby Piquel at Efren Reyes, dito mapapansin natin nag-play safe itong si Bobby Piquel at talagang naitago niya yung cue ball doon sa object ball, no? Pero titingnan natin kung gaano kahusay si Efren Reyes sa kick safety shot. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
BilliardClub.net and ActiveStats Video Productions. Bobby made a nice kick there, sent the 4-ball, 3 rails, and he might put a temporary hold on the Magician. Now look, did you see what he did with his stick? He wants to kick 2 rails and thin that 5-ball, I think, right where he had his stick, sending the cue ball between the 6 and the 8, safe. Now this is no accident, ladies and gentlemen. This is no accident.
Yeah, boy.
Did you see that? I told you that's what he was going to do. Yeah, he's letting the stroke.
At dito nga sa parehong laban pa rin, mapansin natin si Bobby Piquel, hindi pa rin pumasok yung 3, no? Very frustrated siya. Ganun pa man, nakakuha pa rin siya ng napakahusay na play safe. At mapapansin ninyo yung isang bola doon sa dulo, sa corner pocket sa right side. Merong isang bola doon, 8, no? Tingnan ninyo kung paano yung combination ni Reyes yan. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Rail and let the cue ball get stopped by the 6. Was it billiard? Bank billiard? No. Yeah. No, you know what he's going to do? He's going to stick it right on the 5 behind the 9.
Here I come.
That's what he's doing. He's too deep. I don't think he wanted that to go.
At dito nga sa isa pang pagkakataon laban ni Efren Reyes at Bobby Piquel, medyo manipis yung tira doon ni Bobby Piquel, hindi pumasok yung 7. Ganun pa man nakakuha ulit ng matinding play safe itong si Bobby Piquel, no? Tingnan ninyo kung paano ipasok ni Reyes sa side pocket na tinatawag na crucial kick shot. Panoorin ninyo mga kabilyard.
They don't get lucky.
Well, Scotty, back. You think he's banking it?
At dito naman sa pinakahuling laban nila na rock, mapapansin natin dito nag-play safe si Reyes at nag-counter safety naman itong si Bobby Piquel. Pero ito nga tinawag natin na the maestro, no, sa safety shot at counter safety itong si Reyes. Kaya panoorin ninyo kung paano naligtasan ni Reyes itong napakatinding play safe ni Bobby Piquel. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
No. Can you kick 2 rails by the 9 ball? Yeah, 2 rails by the 9 ball and yeah. And the 7's a big ball because that's in his way. And he's dependent on, and if he wants to try to play the other side of the 1 ball, he risks going in and drink. Now, if he tries to hit, if he tries to hit where his Q-tip was there, off the 3rd rail, I think he sells out going that way. I think he's tried to. Well, I know, but I'm saying he wouldn't. He would have such little speed coming off the 3rd rail. The 1 isn't going to go very far. Right, and that changes the angle when you do that. I'll tell you one thing: the crowd's enjoying it, and we got almost a packed house here at the Chalkoff Arena. It's seems like day 27. You got a rail? Yeah. Yeah.
Kasalanan mo yan eh.
Isa pa sa pinakamahusay na gamit ni Efren Reyes sa kanyang mga skills itong tinatawag na precision kick shot. Panoorin natin.
Swerte.
At dito nga sa panghuli, no, si Efren Reyes ay isa rin palang entertainer. Dito nga nakita natin na tutok na yung Jess para sa corner pocket pero may ginawa pa rin si Efren Reyes para ma-entertain yung mga nanonood. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Tataka nga ako kung bakit, paano nangyari yun, yung ganong tira. So siya lang nakagawa talaga nun, kaya tinawag siyang The Magician.
The Magician.